Hey you guys, what is up? The Rocky Mountain Fan Man here, and welcome back. Today we're doing a video of this Quorum Pinwheel ceiling fan. I got this fan from Facebook Marketplace here in Colorado. So this is the first one I've gotten in Colorado. It's in really nice shape. It doesn't wobble. It came in this blade order. It's got some paint on the canopy. It's kind of tilted. I think the coupler down rod's bent. It came with this turtle fitter right here, which I am not using on it, but it's got the Q fob, and yeah, so this one I am keeping because it's in really nice shape. Doesn't wobble at all. The blades aren't mangled. It's got some scratches here and there. It honestly needs a nice cleaning, but yeah, it's not too shabby. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and keep this one, and I'm gonna repaint the fob because it's all scratched up, but here's love. Sorry, we have the garage door open. I think you can kind of tell it's a little tilted. Yeah, the blades are not mangled. None of them are bent. It doesn't even wobble. Well, it does, but it's because it's on that electrical box thing. It looks really cool. So yeah, that's low, and here's medium. It's got a little bit of a sway, but it's because of the box, or the type of mounting it has on it. It's because it's not an actual ceiling, it's just on a box. And that metal piece on top is a little flimsy. Get a wide angle on it. And then here's high. See, it starts off a little wobble and then goes back to its balance. Literally no wobble. That looks really cool. So yeah. And now we'll go to off. Sorry, I did turn around. It's got a really fast spin down for some reason. I don't know why. The bearings are not bad, and it doesn't make any noise. Like, it doesn't even make any like noise at all. Like, it's in really good shape. So this is my third one. yeah, so I'm hoping to get 2 more, so I have all variants. The one with the chrome plug, and then the one with the booby light, and that way I will have all 4 variants. The red spotlight primary one, the pastel yellow spotlight one, and whatever style I get the regular, or the one without a light kit in, whether it's primary or pastel. And then if I get a one with the booby light, whether it's pastel or primary, I'll have all variants. I'm gonna try to at least get my goal is to have 8. That way I have one with the chrome plug that's pastel, one that's primary, 2 booby light ones. Yeah. Sorry, y'all, my brother came in, but my goal is to have 2 that don't have light kits.